All right, we're on the soil in the city. There's 7,000 trucks going, so I'm talking really loud, not like I don't talk loud anyways, but we try them all until we try them all. That's what Dave said. That's what we got to do. Restaurante GELATINAS. Where are we at? What street is this, Dave? On right off of Cicero, right by Midway Airport. We try them all until we try them all. Carne asada coming up. 5, 6. Can we do 6 carne asada tacos, please?
What do you get on yours?
Yeah.
No.
One of them
Tomato
plain.
cheese. Lettuce, tomato, cheese.
It looks pretty good, but then, like, when you just got a tree on here. We can dry this out and smoke it later. But, it looks pretty good. The tortillas look very good. Oh, wait. Yeah, we got the double tortilla. We're gonna go lime juice. I'm gonna go with red sauce on here. So you can tell the tortilla's really good. It's good. Rob Tullum. Crispy bits. Oh yeah. A little greasy. Look. The tortilla's a little greasy. See that? I'm not a fan of that. Not a fan of the grease on the tortilla. But I'm starving. So the grease takes it out of the eggs. You're down. 7-3. 7-3. It's good. The meat's very, very good. That's the thing about it, is the meat's good. The salsa's good. The tortilla's great. You don't have to fry it, or you don't have to put it in the oil, or, if it would have just been a little bit less greasy, I think you would have been pushing the eggs, but 7-3. I don't even know the name of the place again. Restaurante Mexicano Galina or something like that. In Chicago, 7-3. That's where we